Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do well on AP English Multiple Choice. Mastering this section is crucial for your overall score. We will break down effective strategies into 4 simple steps, helping you approach the exam with confidence. By the end, you will have a clear roadmap to improve your performance significantly, aiming for a strong score on this challenging but rewarding assessment. First, let's master reading comprehension. When you encounter a passage, engage with it actively. Don't just skim, highlight or make mental notes of the main argument, the author's tone, and any significant rhetorical choices. Pay close attention to the introduction and conclusion, as these often reveal the core message. Understanding the passage deeply before tackling questions saves valuable time and improves accuracy. Next, focus on effective question answering. Read each question thoroughly, identifying exactly what it asks. Before looking at the options, try to formulate your own answer based on the text. Then, systematically eliminate choices that are clearly wrong or not supported by the passage. Always choose the answer that is best supported by textual evidence, even if other options seem plausible at first glance. Finally, consistent practice is key to success. Regularly work through multiple choice sections from past exams or reputable study guides. After each practice session, meticulously review every question, especially those you answered incorrectly. Understand why the correct answer is right and why your chosen answer was wrong. This reflective process, combined with a steady study routine, will significantly boost your score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.